My name's Larry Wright, and I'm the COO, CFO at Gemini Builds It, and partner with Courtney Wright. We bought Gemini about 9 years ago, and it's been quite a journey and a turnaround, but there's been a lot of changes here since we got here, and especially in the framing production group. The framing production team at Gemini really is what the front end of the business was and had always been, where we source molding, we source supplies, and we have an entire team that will do the mounting, fitting. We updated all the manual saws to the newest technology available with those automated arms and computer calculated size cutting. We've added a lot of design talent, so that now we're able to support our customers by offering renderings or retouching on photos and all sorts of things like that, which really just expand what our framing customers can offer to their end customers. We developed and created a white glove delivery and installation team that now can go out and deliver the customer's product to their home or their business and get the installation done. So it's kind of like a cradle to grave program now that we do in both for Gemini and also for our framing customers. Really at the end of the day, most of the changes we did at Gemini really all focused on customer satisfaction. The people and the staff that we have now are the people that want to be here and are committed to making sure that you, the customer, get exactly what you want when you want it.